Hello everyone, let's provide a solution given this nice exponential equation. So which is 5 raised to power m plus 5 raised to power m is equal to 200. So what is the value of m? Solution. So we have 5 raised to power m plus 5 raised to power m. This is equal to 200. Okay. Now from here, 5 raised to power m and 5 raised to power m is common. So we factor out 5 raised to power m. We'll have 1 plus 1. This is equal to 200. Okay. So we'll have 5 raised to power m multiplying by, this is 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. This is equal to 200. We divide both sides by 2, so that we're going to have 5 raised to power m. This is equal to 100. Okay. Now from here, we can write this 100 as, this is actually 25 times 4, which you can also express as 5 squared multiplied by 4. Now, to solve for the value of m, we introduce the logarithm, that is logarithm property. So we'll have log 5 raised to power m. This is equal to log 100. Okay. Now from here, we're going to apply the exponential properties, that if you have log m raised to power n, this can be expressed as n log m. Okay, so let's apply this property. Okay, now from here you're going to have m log 5. This is equal to log 100. Okay, so we divide both sides by log 5, divide both sides by log 5. Okay, so that means we're going to have m is equal to log 100 divided by log 5. Okay, so let's proceed as far. We have that m is equal to log 100 divided by log 5. We are saying that 100 can be expressed as 5 squared multiplied by 4. Okay, so let's substitute this back to our equation. We're going to have m is equal to log 5 squared multiplied by 4, divide everything by log 5. Okay, now from here, given that if you have log a multiplied by b, okay, this can be expressed as log a plus log b. Okay, let's apply this property back here. Now from here, you're going to have log 5 raised to power 2, okay, divided by log 5 plus log 4 divided by log 5. Okay, now again from here, as you can see, we can write this log 5 raised to power 2 as 2 log 5 divided by log 5 plus log 4 divided by log 5. Okay, now from here you simplify. As you can see, we simplify this. We're going to have 2 plus log 4 divided by log 5. Okay, now as you can see, log 4 divided by log 5 is in the form of log a divided by log b, which can be expressed as log a to base b. Okay, so let's express this as that. We're going to have 2 plus log 4 to base 5. This is the value of m. Okay, now let's verify that this value of m satisfies the equation. Okay, so let's verify. Now, as you can recall, we end at 5 raised to power m plus 5 raised to power m. This is equal to 200. Okay, of which in simple terms we can express this as 5 raised to power m. This is equal to 100. Okay, so let's substitute the value of m in our case here, so that we're going to have 5 raised to power 2 plus log 4 to base 5. This is supposed to give us a value of 100. Okay, now as you can see, 5 raised to power 2 plus log 4 to base 5 is in the form of a raised to power n plus m, which we can express as a raised to power n multiplied by a raised to power m. Okay, so let's proceed as follows. We're saying that 5 raised to power 2 plus log 4 to base 5, which is equal to 100. This is in the form of a raised to power n plus m, which you can express as a raised to power n multiplied by a raised to power m. Okay, now we're going to have 5 raised to power 2 multiplied by 5 raised to power log 4 to base 5. This is supposed to give us 100. Okay, now as you can see, we have given that if you have b raised to power log a to base b, this is the same as a. Okay, this is going to give us a value of a. Okay, just the same case here. If you have 5 raised to power log 4 to base 5, since the bases are common, so you're going to have 4. Okay, so applying this property, we are going to substitute 5 raised to power log 4 to base 5 with 4. So you're going to have 5 squared multiplied by 4. This is supposed to give us 100. Okay, now as you can see, 5 raised to power 2, this is 25. Okay, multiplied by 4, this is supposed to give us 100. Okay, now 25 times 4, this is 100, which is equal to 100. Okay, now this clearly shows that the value of m, which is equal to 2 plus log 4 to base 5, satisfies the equation. So thank you for watching and kindly consider subscribing. Thank you.